Well, good morning everybody. It's Thursday the 4th of May and that concludes my little stint on the Camino Frances, just the 2 days. It's normally a 3-day section to Pamplona. I did it in 2 to save a little bit of time. Hang on, car coming. Whoa. So I'm just walking backwards on the Frances a little bit now just to get back to Trinidad DR, where I'm going to leave the French route and get onto the Baztan route, going backwards back up to Bayonne, Irun, to start the Camino Norte. Nice strong coffee and a bit of bread for breakfast. So the Baztan, or apparently I'm pronouncing that wrong, the Baztan, is an alternative route. It's an old route that avoids the steepness of the Napoleon route, and you probably don't even need the train to St John that way because it's a valid route that goes from Bayonne to here at DR Villava. So we are approaching the bridge of Saroran, not to get mixed up with the guy from Lord of the Rings. Let's have a look where it is then. It's definitely the route less travelled, isn't it? Well, I've got to tell you, this is truly beautiful. I've got the path, feels like entirely to myself, very much more a nature walk than Camino Frances. As you can see, there's grass growing over the path. I'm able to tell actually how many pilgrims are doing the Baztan because I'm going backwards, which means everybody that's walking the Baztan today will come past me. And so far it's nearly 12 o'clock now and I've passed 4 people, 3 people together from Belgium and 1 person, I think from Spain. I didn't ask, but I think from Spain. So that's 4. You gotta watch, it's a good job they're on chains, isn't it, love? They're not too happy to see me. Are you nice doggies? No. Shall I go? I'll go. Treat when you look in your pockets and find a little packet of love hearts, look, something with a bit of flavour. So that'll cheer me up until I get back.
Even though it was cold, we were never wearing proper clothes. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, smoking cigarettes behind the school. Always trying to be cool.
There's witchcraft around here. Innkeeper and the saddler led the meeting of wizards in the valley, and according to witnesses, they were held here. At the trial, they were convicted. The main witness, a 5-year-old, stated that the wizards travelled by flying from there.
Everything was black and white. Driving in a car, never knowing how far we go. When we were younger, I remember a girl. I would sneak into her parents' house. I could stay for hours, and we looked into each other's eyes. Hey, I thought I was Romeo, I was looking for my Juliet. And as soon as I left, I told my friends. Those days made long as we had each other.